Hey guys, Mrs. Klein here. How are you? This is May, week 6, day 3 for those of you who are working through our math packet. All right, let's go ahead and look. Today's is going to be pretty quick. We have 2 story problems. It says, solve and show your strategy. 38 markers were in the bin. Chase added the 43 markers that were on the floor to the bin. How many markers are in the bin now? So he just has a bin, which is just like a basket kind of. It has 38 markers in it. There's 43 markers on the floor though, and he takes those and he puts them in the bin with the 38 markers. How many markers are in the bin now? Okay, our first question is, what are we going to do to solve this problem? What operation are we going to use? And I will give you a choice. We are either going to add or subtract. Remember, if you're adding, the number's getting bigger. If you're subtracting, the number's going to be getting smaller. Good work, guys. Most of you knew that we are going to add. Now, what are we going to add? We're going to add the 38 markers that were already in the bin. And then he puts what? Yeah, he puts 43 more in. 43 more markers in the bin. So we have to figure out what our total is now. Now there are several different ways that we can solve this. I want you to pick the way that is best for you. If you need to draw this out with our rods and units, that is totally fine. So if we were to do that, 38 would look like this. We have 3 10s. We have 8 1s. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 43 would look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have 3 1s. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then we want to know our total. Now, if we were to group our ones together first, so I have 8 1s and 3 1s, I know that I would end up with 8, 9, 10, 11. I would end up with 11 ones. Can we have more than 10 in our ones column? No. So I'd have 11 ones. 11 ones looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry for my drawing, 5, 6, 7, oh goodness, 8, 9, 10, 11, okay? So I'd want to take this group of 10 and I would want to convert that into a rod. So then I only have 1 left. So in my 1 spot, I'd have a 1. And in my 10 spot, I'd have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay, so I'd have 8 10s, which is the 8 10s and the 1 1 is the number 81. So where it says how many markers are in the bin now, you actually need to write out a sentence here. So you will have, you'll say there were 81 markers in the bin. So you guys will write out, there were 81 markers in the bin. Okay. We can put 81 total markers in the bin. That works. All right, did that make sense? Do you guys understand that? Another way to solve it, you could have stacked it. You could have had 38 and 43. And then you could do 8 plus 3 is 11. Take our set of 10s over here. We have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We still end up with 81. You could also use a math mountain if you wanted. Okay? But either way, you need to have this sentence as well as show your work. Okay, number 2. There are 29 fewer big stickers in the sticker sheet than little stickers. So there's 29 less big stickers than little stickers. There are 62 little stickers on the sheet. How many big stickers are there? Okay, so we know that there's 62 little stickers and there's 29 fewer big stickers. What do you think we're going to do? Add or subtract? Good work. Most of you knew that we were going to subtract. If you got confused, that's okay. All right, so if we're going to subtract, we know that there are 62 little and there are 29 fewer big ones. So that right there is our problem. We would do there are 62 little ones and there's 29 fewer big ones. So it'd be 62 minus 29 equals what? Now to solve this, again, we can use multiple different ways to solve this. Let's go ahead and use our rods and units to first solve it. And then we can also stack if we need to, okay? So you guys can use different ways. If we were to use our rods and units, we would have the number 62. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's our 6 tens, and here's our 1, 2. There's our 2 ones. Now we're going to take 29 away. All right, so let's take, oh wait, we can't take 9. There's only 2. Let's break apart one of these 10s. So we're going to get rid of this 10. We're going to break it apart into 10 ones. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, 5, maybe 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we're going to take 9 of those away. If we take 9 of those away, let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think it'll be easiest if we take them away like that. There we go. We have 3 ones left. So we're going to put 3 in our 1 spot. And now we still have to take 2 10s away. So 1, 2. How many 10s do we have left? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 10s left. So the number is 33. If we were to stack it, we could do it the same way. 62, take away 29. You guys are so patient with me as I'm trying to write like this. I'm so thankful that you guys are patient with me. Okay, so 62 take away 29. Can we do 2 take away 9? We need to come over and borrow a 10. So this 6 10s becomes 5 10s. We bring that 10 over. So now we have 12, take away 9. And if we had 12 and we took 9 away, we would have 3. 5 take away 2 is, again, 3. Either way, we end up with the number 33, okay? And then you guys will need to go ahead and write out your sentence, which it said, how many big stickers are there? And you will say, there are 33 big stickers. Okay, that was a short math lesson today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I always like story problems. They're fun to work through, nice and challenging. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Love and hugs.